Welcome to Windcrest Condominiums, where comfort, convenience, and location come together in Grand Rapids' northeast side. This updated ground floor unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and just over 1,050 square feet of functional living space. The interior has been refreshed with newer flooring, updated appliances, and neutral paint throughout, making it truly move-in ready. The open concept layout flows from the kitchen into a spacious living area with direct access to your own private patio. Other features include in-unit laundry, central air, and an attached one-stall garage with secured building entry, adding comfort and peace of mind. Located just off East Beltline near I-196, this home puts you minutes from Knapp's Corner, Frederick Meijer Gardens, downtown Grand Rapids, shopping, restaurants, and parks. Monthly association dues cover water, sewer, trash, lawn care, and snow removal, so you can enjoy low-maintenance living in a highly convenient location. If you're looking for a clean, updated condo in a well-kept community with easy access to everything, schedule your showing today.